Hi everyone, welcome back to the another video of Engineers Academy. So guys, in this video we are going to talk about the another tool in lean manufacturing, as we have seen in our previous videos, such as in Kaizen also, in 5S also. These are the tools of lean manufacturing. So guys, over here we are going to talk about the Poka-yoke. So Poka-yoke is the term, just like the other rest of the tools, which is originated in Japan and which is initially developed and implemented by Mr. Shigo Shingo in Toyota production system. So basically this is also a tool which gets originated in Japan, and just like the same of the rest of the tools or in the lean manufacturing. So basically our main objective while generating all those tools in lean manufacturing is nothing but the reduction in wastage, elimination of the wastage, increasing the productivity, and ultimately increase the profit. So basically increasing the profit is the ultimate agenda in any manufacturing system, in any production system basically. So guys, this particular term Poka-yoke is consists of two words basically, that is nothing but the Poka and yoke. So Poka is nothing but the errors, or we can call it as a mistakes. So to be more precise, it is inadvertent errors basically, and the yoke is nothing but the proofing, or else we can call it as the elimination. So Poka-yoke is nothing but the mistake proofing, the elimination of the mistakes basically. So as we have seen, the Poka-yoke is nothing but the mistake proofing, but how can we implement this Poka-yoke? So let us take some real life examples of this Poka-yoke which we are using right now, but we really don't know that we have we are using this particular Japanese techniques Poka-yoke. So the first example is the spell checker, which is used in our smartphones and which is used in our computers. So what this spell checker does, this spell checker automatically corrects the spelling mistake. So this is this spell checker, it prevents the mistakes from happening. It prevents the mistake from happening basically. So this particular spell checker, it comes under the category of it prevents, so that's why prevents what mistakes from happening. So it falls under the category of the prevention based Poka-yoke. So guys, basically this particular Poka-yoke is having the two categories. The first category comes as a prevention based, and the second category is nothing but the detection based. Also here in this case, there are three stages. The first one is the warning stage, the second one is the controlling stage, and the third one is the shutdown stage. So in any manufacturing system, there is a flow, or we can call it as a particular process which gets carried out. So without affecting that particular process, we have to implement this particular Poka-yoke. So this Poka-yoke is of having the three stages, that is nothing but the warning stage. In that particular warning stage, the process gets warned by the system or else the other sensors basically. So these sensors wants a particular process, so automatically the necessary action takes place at the second stage basically. In the next stage, that is the controlling stage, controlling. So in any manufacturing system, in the workflow, the particular controlling devices are there which controls the particular process without, so that there won't be any kind of the mistakes will be there will be no formation of the mistakes basically. So the last one is the shutdown. So in that shutdown category basically, if there are any kind of the chances of detecting the defects basically, your whole process gets automatically shut down. The best example of the shutdown is nothing but your DSLR cameras. So if the shutter is on, it won't click pictures in your DSLR cameras. So that is the shutter is on, that is the defect basically, and the clicking of the pictures, that is nothing but the system. This particular system gets shut down, so that the pictures won't take place, the formation of the picture, or else the clicking, we cannot click more pictures over here. So let's take another example, or else let us go in detail of this particular Poka-yoke system. So as we have seen, there are over here, these are the two categories, such as the first one is the prevention and the second one is the detection. So in the warning stage, how can we prevent and how can we detect basically? So The first example is like when we enter in car, like you have to like assure that the all doors of the car, it has been closed basically. So if the all doors are not closed, then the car security system gives us the warning that your doors are not closed, so you cannot start your car. So the car security system gives us the alarm. So this is nothing but the warning which is given by the system to the process. The process is the starting of the car. So to go further, that is the starting of the you'll get some kind of the warning in the warning prevention stage. Let us talk about warning detection stage. So in warning detection stage over here, after detecting the some kind of errors or the mistake in any line in any production system, the whole system automatically takes a necessary action on it. The best example of over here in the warning detection system is nothing but the fire sprinklers and the smoke detectors. The smoke detectors are the devices which detects the smoke. So whenever there is a fire in the building, like this smoke detector detects the the smoke of the fire, and then automatically it turns on this fire sprinklers. So the necessary action is takes place immediately over here in that case. So that is comes under the warning detection stage. So guys, the next stage in Poka-yoke is nothing but the controlling. So controlling belongs to your particular process or a particular methodology basically. So we can control the process, we can control the detection, and we can control the prevention also. So guys, this particular controlling category has of two types, that is the controlling prevention and the controlling detection basically. So in this particular category basically, the controlling, we can control a particular product, we can control the methodology or else process. We are using some sort of the controlling devices which controls the pure process from and which there are no chances of the defects gets formed over here in this case. So let me give you an example of this controlling prevention category. So as we all know, in the prevention, there are no chances of the defects get formed in ATM machine when we insert your ATM card, but the alignment is not proper. So over here at that case, the machine won't accept your card. So basically there are no chances of like defects formed over here in this case of the ATM machine. So there are the defect can be of the card, damage to your card basically. As the alignment is not proper, the machine can damage your ATM card, or else it can damage the chip inside the ATM card. But that won't happen just because your alignment is not proper and the machine won't accept that card. So that's why the defect won't occur. So this is the another example of the controlling prevention category. So this is controlling prevention category. The next example is like in assembly line, there are several number of the workstations which carry out a particular number of the operations on a product, and a product is a flowing through that particular workstation, or we can call it as a conveyor. So basically like the workstation like this workstations carried out the several number of the operations on the particular product, and just before that just after that workstation there is a Poka-yoke device which confirms that your product and the operation is successfully carried out and your product is ready to go to the next stage. So this is nothing but the Poka-yoke device is nothing but some sort of the sensors basically. So that ensures the proper alignment of your product, that ensures the proper quality of your product, and like that ensures the proper the size and shape or other the physical attributes of your product basically. So that Poka-yoke device, suppose if any defective or the faulty product is there, or like if there is any operation which is not carried out on that particular product, and that is detected by your Poka-yoke device, and that Poka-yoke device immediately stops down that particular product, that immediately detects that particular product, and that controls the method by stopping down the particular product at the same workstation basically. So that is nothing but the controlling stage, the controlling detection stage basically. And the last stage in Poka-yoke is nothing but the shutdown stage. The shutdown stage is related to the particular process or a particular it is related to the particular process or a particular product basically. So shutdown can be of your process can be shut down, or else your working product can be shut down. So this shutdown is having of the two types, such as the shutdown prevention or shutdown detection also. So in case of shutdown prevention, your particular product won't get affected, as it prevents the shutdown of your particular product basically. So let me give you another example over here in this case, that is nothing but your DSLR cameras. So whenever the shutter is on, so the camera is not able to click pictures over here in that case. So that is the another example of this shutdown prevention category. The another category is nothing but the shutdown detection. So after detecting some sort of the defects or else some sort of the problems in a particular process, it automatically shut down, or else it automatically shut down the whole of the process. So another example over here is nothing but the air conditioner. Air conditioner trips whenever there is a more heat in the space basically. So this is the another example of the Poka-Yoke, which falls under the category of the shutdown detection base. So guys, over here in this video we have seen what is the Poka-Yoke, what are the two major types of the Poka-Yoke. We have seen our day-to-day, everyday examples of the Poka-Yoke, and we have seen the three major stages that are nothing but the the warning stage. We have seen the warning stage, we have seen the controlling, and the last one is the shutdown stage. So guys, I hope you understood the Poka-Yoke. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Please stay tuned with my educational channel, Engineers Academy. And guys, for more educational content, just please subscribe to my educational channel, and please hit the bell icon, and please motivate me by giving more likes, and share all my videos to your friends and family. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my educational channel, Engineers Academy.